Welcome students. So we have already discussed about IEEE 802.11 wireless LAN in the class. So theoretically we know how do this wireless LAN works. So what is the access point? What is the function of the access point? What are all the different operating modes of the access points? Right? So what do you mean by hotspot area? And then what is the distribution system, how the backbone network supports these access points to connect with the laptops or any digital device that is able to communicate through wireless. So all of these things we have already discussed in the class. Now let us see how do we configure the wireless local area network with the help of Cisco Packet Tracer. So on the screen, you can see the Cisco Packet Tracer, where in this exercise, we will be discussing about the wireless local area network configuration. So you can see at the left side, right? So this left side, you can see we have one device called as home wireless router. Then we do have this RTR1. Then we have this SW1, that is RTR is the router, and this SW1 is actually the switch. We have a laptop, we have a wireless link controller, we have some radius server, we have some home admin, we have enterprise admin, we have web servers, we have DNS server, we have a laptop again in another network, tablet, you have a smartphone, a wireless host 1, wireless host 2, right? So the information about this wireless local area network, the SSID, what SSID has to be kept for these access points, right? So what should be the username, what should be the password, what should be the IP address to be configured, which interface, which IP address is being assigned, all of these details is given at the left side, right? So with this we're going to do the configuration step by step. So you can have a network scenario as like what it looks like in the right side. Okay, yeah, right side of this window you can view this. So here we're going to have some two different networks. One is the home network, another one is the enterprise network. Home network, so guys, you may be working with the internet when you're home, right? You may have a broadband connection with different network service provider. So you will be having an access point in your home. You have a laptop, you have a desktop computer, or you may have a mobile phones, you have a tablets. Everything is connected to this Wi-Fi access points which is in your home. Then this Wi-Fi access point is being provided with the internet, with the backbone network by the internet service provider through the cable modem, right? So all of this is being shown at this left side of this home network. The access points SSID is actually home SSID, and you can see that tablet is connected with this router. Smartphone is actually not connected now. Laptop is connected with this home router. I'm double clicking on this smartphone. I just wanted to see what is the actual wireless connection that was being I mean whether it is enabled or disabled. You can see I just clicked on this wireless, where I can see some settings over here, right? So 3G, 4G, then Bluetooth, right? So the port status of the Bluetooth is turned off actually, and here the 3G, 4G cell is being turned on. Even the wireless is actually turned on. Let us go to the desktop. Let us check for this. You know, what are all the different applications are there over this? In the mobile user screen, right? So yeah. Yes, you can now see that in the desktop we have this home SSID. So the laptop, when you wanted to access with the, when you wanted to get connected with the Wi-Fi access point, you can see like this. When in the laptop, into the PC wireless, you can go there to check for the available SSID in your vicinity. Then select that vicinity. You can click on connect. If you have a pre-shared key, you have to provide that key. Then you may proceed with the connection. Okay. Similarly, for cable modem, this is the internet area, right? So that part is explained. You have a web server. This is the web server. This enterprise networks looks like this, where in the enterprise network we have an additional part called as WLC, wireless link controller, switch, multi-layered switch, routers, radius servers, admin servers, some host computers or laptops to be connected with this wireless access points. So with the help of this description which was given at the left side, we can configure this network. So you can see this home wireless router where the internet interface can be assigned as DHCP. That means the devices that are getting associated with this wireless access point will be provided with an IP address automatically. Then the local area network of this home wireless network should be configured with an IP address 192.168.6.1/27. So step by step procedure which was given at the left side, you can do the completion of configuring the network. First, you need to identify the devices available for constructing the network. Then you need to design or you need to plan the configuration of each of these devices, how it should be connected. And then